How to fix Valorant has encountered a connection error. Relaunch client to reconnect. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to fix Valorant has encountered a connection error. Relaunch client to reconnect. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, just click on this search bar right here, and then from in there, just search for services. So open the app of services, and then a window will open with this. So what you need to do is just scroll down and find VGC, and once you have found it, just select the automatic from the option right there and save your progress. So just find VGC and do that. So the next thing you need to do is head over and search again and look for ms config. So this will open up. So open up system configuration and click on open right here, and then another window will open, which is this window. So let's minimize this window first, and let's open this, and then click on services, and then from in there you can click on this hide all Microsoft services, and then look for VGC again and make sure that VGC is turned on and has been enabled, and then after that click on apply and click on OK. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix Valorant has encountered a connection error. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.